Not a paddle, Bill.
Hell no. Ugh, the battery. Do what?
Did you charge?
All night long on the trickle charge.
Let me grab a C clamp because it's gonna want to slide you. You know what I mean?
You think?
This is just if it all goes wrong. Not to hold it, just to keep you from sliding back.
Boom. I'm gonna keep my expensive stuff in it in case I fall in.
Right, you'll give me hits off your vape, won't you?
You betcha.
All right. I'm gonna put mine in here. The briefing, I will go. I'm gonna put it in 4-wheel drive before, like I'll just do it right now, and I will go as slow. You know, I'm not crazy anymore. I will go as slow as possible. But you know, this Chinese UTV ain't the smoothest thing.
I ain't worried about it.
You know, going from a stop to going is just not smooth.
Question's gonna be try to get take that stick out. We'll see how it does.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, man. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Boom.
All right, there's no way here should be just fine.
Yeah, it feels good.
That C-clamp at least is a little bit of emergency hold, so it won't slide backwards. You don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
Hopefully. This is Bill, you got a new Jon Boat. Look at this beauty. Would you look at it?
Would you look at it?
All right. Take 2. Jon Boat.
Check.
Battery.
Check.
Net.
Check.
Fishing poles.
Check.
Trolling motor.
Check.
Battery box.
Check.
Tackle box.
Check.
Paddle.
Check.
All right, I think we're ready to go. This is going to be interesting. I'll be piloting the Chinese UTV as we go down through the woods, over a drainage, over a bridge, and out to Deer Creek. Let's go.
Let's go. Bridge?
Bridge.
Oh yeah.
Dude, how far, when it's set at this height, did you already set the height with the ring? Is
Yeah.
this a good height for your boat?
I think I had it higher, but I didn't know what to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna peek, once we get out in deep water, I'm just gonna peek over the edge here and see how deep that thing is.
The water was mucky, I couldn't see.
Somewhat. I'll throw it a little bit more. Oh. Okay.
There you go.
Actually, you know what? I think sitting backwards might be a better way to go. But
Yeah, I tried it sitting like that.
no bueno.
It
huh?
sucked.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit backwards. It's all right.
This right here is about kayaking speed.
Yeah. And the battery will last all day going at this speed. This is the slowest, right?
Yeah.
Bill, Bill, we're on your boat. We're sinking. We're sinking.
Where's water? How's that? Can you see any flowing?
No,
I think that's what was already here.
It's too hard to see. It's underwater now. No, it's like a couple of inches. With this flow rate, we have about a half hour at least until we go under. We'll give that a wide berth.
Yeah.
I don't remember that being there before.
No.
The water's so low now. If you sit on, if your weight is on that side, my weight is over here. You know what I'm saying?
Like this?
Yep. And I'm gonna just come over to the other end.
There you go.
And then when you're fishing, you know, you can do whatever you want. Oh, that's gonna be better. So I'm gonna move my other leg over.
Go for it.
You're just figuring it out. But yeah, see now, as long as your weight is on that side, now that's easy. That's the way to do it. Like if you want, I'll go up here. I'll turn them.
There we go.
But I think you could put your.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. That's better. You're heavier than I am.
Hey, I'm keeping the thing out of the water.
Oh, we got the battery right there too. Move the battery over more to my side.
Boom.
Oh.
Hey.
We know what that was. Oh, there's another log right there. She's still going.
What speed are you on?
Slow. You want me to go faster?
Yeah. That was full speed right there, I think.
I think this is full speed, right?
Yeah.
Ramming speed.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it's changed since we came through. Okay, I'm gonna swing over here. I'm gonna be turning it off right now. Because I don't want to ruin the prop the first time for you. Okay, we're up. Use your paddle. You know, just to push, to fend off. Prop looks intact for that little mud strike, no problemo. New cotter pin in place.
Yep.
You see it's shiny.
And I got more in the tackle box.
Well, it's probably a zinc one or something. It might not have rusted it at all, but was it rusty? Was it a steel?
It was steel.
So it was rusty?
No, it was zinc.
Or whatever.
Yeah, it looked like brass under the black.
You hand that thing to me if you need me to do it from right here. Oh, we're getting it. Look at that. Would you look at it?
Oh.
You're handing that?
You gonna push off?
Yep.
Got it.
No problem. This is a nice bird friend here. I'm really impressed with how fast that little trolling motor goes. We're hooked.
Unhooked.
That's what we do. We come down here with a chainsaw or just get up on the shore and pull this stuff out.
Yeah.
Here you go. Okay, I think we're clear.
Think so.
Get me back in the position. You know, I would think that keep these wires up out of the water. We now have, well, actually, just lean
It
a
ain't
little
much
bit.
more.
It's not much more. This is not what you want to do on your first boat trip. It's a bailer, but it doubles as a spittoon if you... What? What, that bird?
Was that a bird?
A jungle bird or something.
You need a seat back there. You should sit on the battery. You want to sit on my tackle box?
No.
The water level being down makes it a little more different.
Yeah, no, that.
I don't see anything protruding. Nothing close to the surface. We're making it. Oh no!
Well, let me just hit it with some speed and see what happens. It's a big one.
You're gonna hit it on that end.
I do?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I don't want to get raked from these branches, man.
It's only gonna move this way. No!
Yeah. Got it? Oh yeah, no problem. I'm gonna spin this around. Oh. Clear.
Clear.
But I think you could probably, with this battery, go all day.
You think so?
Yeah, by the sound of the motor, it doesn't seem like it's taking very much wattage. I've been feeling this cable as well.
Not getting warm?
Not warm at all. I mean, it's cool to the touch. Oh man, the mosquito just went in my ear hole. Motherfucker.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see any now.
Let's see how this thing does when I'm standing. Oh yeah, I can see better. We do have a log. Straight ahead. Underwater. I'm making it turn.
Am I going right over it?
Yep, straight ahead, you'll be going right over it. If you go...
This way, right?
Yep. Can you see it?
Yep.
I believe we made it. We made it. Traversing. We do have a log here.
Yeah. Oh, I see it.
What's that, dude? Oh, a duck? You see it?
Yeah. No, I saw the wave.
Can't tell if it's a duck getting ate by a turtle.
Oh yeah, maybe. No. Something like that. Or maybe it's a baby duck trying to fly.
Let's go catch it. No, it ain't having it.
Clear?
Clear. When we get out here past this little opening where it widens up, I'm gonna fish the bottom.
All right. So we're gonna pass this
Yes.
ramp and just go up to the open area there.
Yeah, right there, right up there.
Post up on something drift.
We can probably post. Well, we can get to right into the edge of the lily pads, and it'll probably hold us.
Probably would.
Now remember, there is a log where we're gonna have to cross in up here.
So far
We do have a log.
we do?
Not that way, this way.
Am I clear?
You're gonna go right over top of it right there. See it?
Yeah. Clear?
Clear. We do have a lot of fish action today.